Friends, here is the last problem based on the same direction. We have to find the unfolded paper after punching different cuts. Okay, here the three figures given how the paper is folded and how it is punched. So let us draw that paper here, or that figures. This is the paper and this is folded in this direction. This is the first figure that says the paper is folded in this direction. After folding, it will appear like this, isn't it? Now in the second figure, they show that the paper is folded at two different points. One is this, second one is this, and this is in this direction, and this is folded in this direction. Okay. Now at the last figure, they shown that how the paper is cut. Before going to that, how paper appears after folding in this direction. The paper will appear like this. This comes here. I will draw a dotted line to show that this comes at this point and this part comes at this point. Okay. Now in the last figure, it is shown how the paper is punched or cut. You can clearly see it is cut in all the corners. It is cut at all the corners in inclined direction, like this. All the corners were cut in inclined direction, not in the straight cut. It's an inclined cut. Now it is important point that how these cuts going to appear on unfolded paper. First of all, see how many layers are formed. So after folding this paper in this direction, I got two layers. Here I got two layers. I will write here two layers. Now after folding like this, how many layers I got? Here I got two layers. Now after this, the paper is folded like this. That means here I got already two layers. Once it is folded like this will going to become four layers here. Now once again this paper is folded like this. Here I am going to get four layers. Okay, at this point I got four layers. At this point, four layers. Now the paper is cut. The paper is cut in inclined direction. That means if you observe carefully, here this part is, or you can say this part is nothing but the center part of paper. This part is nothing but the center part of paper. That means these cuts going to appear at the center. If you unfold this paper like this will appear like this, and this cut going to appear like this. Okay. Next, the paper is cut at this point also. They will appear like this. Okay. Next, the paper should be unfolded like this. Like this. That means the paper will appear here, and the cuts also appear like this. And then this paper is unfolded in this direction, and this cut will appear here, and this cut will appear here. Now just rub these points. And one more thing I forgot to draw, that is when this paper is unfolded like this, then this cut should appear. That means they are going to appear like this. Now just rub all these things. Okay, because these are the portion actually I missed out here. This will come like this. So after rubbing, you can clearly see how the paper is appearing after cuts. So just compare this figure with the given four alternatives. Whichever it matches, that will be the right option. First option is not at all matching with this. That means option 1 is wrong. Now coming to second option, option 2 is also not matching. That means option 2 also wrong. Moving to third option is, yes, it is also not matching. Third option is also wrong. Now left with the last option, that has to be the right one, or you just cross verify, is it matching or not? Yes, it is matching with the figure that I have drawn here. That means option 4 is the right one. Now you can eliminate, use the elimination technique to eliminate different options. Here in the first option, I'm having only one hole at the center, but according to the punch which is made on the paper, there should be 2 holes near to the center. Okay, there should be 2 holes, but in the first option I'm going to see only 1 hole. That is the wrong one. So moving to second option also the same thing, that is only 1 hole at the center, that is eliminated. Now in the third option you can clearly see 2 holes are present, but if you see that at the corners of the figure that is shown in the third option, if you see these corners are cut, but in the given figure where this punch is made or this cut is made, it is not at the corner. It is not at the corner. It is nearer to the center, or it is exactly not at the corner. But in the third option, it is showing exactly at the corner. That means option 3 also wrong. Left with only fourth option, that has to be the right one. Using that technique also you can get the correct answer, or directly draw or directly imagine how the paper going to appear after unfolding. That is going to give you answer. Okay friends, now I will move to next problem.